Today I'm going to show you the solution to the Connect the Dots wall puzzle, which is part of Escape Game 50 Rooms number 2, and this puzzle is inside level 22. Now we're inside level 22, and just click on the wall over here on the left hand side, and that reveals a big map. Tap on the map and that reveals the puzzle, and what you have to do there is click on every one of those circles or balls around that puzzle, and you've actually got to follow the fine black lines between each of those balls, and you've got to click on all those ones without and have a continuous white line between them all. So basically we're just going to go around the outside pretty well, but there's just a few little tricks where we've got to come in and pick up a few of those balls as we go past. So there, you can see we've come in on that one and keep going around the outside. It's got to come in there, sorry, and back out. And now this is the tricky part. We've got to come around like so, and then come back in and in and in like that, and to there, and following the black line we come back in, and the last one we need to tap on is that one there. So I'll tap on that last ball, and the puzzle's solved. There we go. I can collect that cylinder and continue on solving this level. Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.